Question number 8, they are saying that they are giving us some digits. What are the digits given to us? They are saying that we have to find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 is my digits given to me, and they are saying that I have to form a number between 2500 to 5000, 2500 to 5000 when there is no repetition. Okay, when there is no repetition over there, we have to get our values. Okay, so how I'm going to do this thing? First of all, if 2 is written over there, then the next one should be 5. Okay, if 2 is written over there, then the next one should be 5. So how we are going to do it? I can't do it directly. Okay, it should be 2500 to 5000 because over here these two values are fixed. And when I come to this one, only one value is fixed. So what will I do? I will do my working a little bit differently. How? First of all, I will go to 2500 to 3000. Okay, first of all, I will go with this one, and then from 3000 to 5000. Now, people will say, okay, sir, in this one again, these two are fixed, and this one is only single one is fixed. But what is the scenario over here? If I am getting 2, I will get 5 with 1. If I am having 3, so it is 2500 to 3000. Basically, I am just talking about 500. Okay, 500 different numbers. But when I am taking from 2500 to 5000, it can be 3000 with 5. It can be 4000 with 5. So that will be making a lot of confusion over here. So we have divided this thing into two groups. First of all, I will be working with this one. Okay, first of all, I will be working with this one, and then I will go for the next one. How will I do the working? See beta. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, first of all, I have got this one, this thing. For that, I have written this. Now, I'm saying that 2500 to 3000. It means I can't write 3 over here. Because if I will write 3, the next one will be 3000 something, which will cross. So what I am going to do, for first one, I have got only one option. For first position, I can only have one option over here because I am saying from 2500 to 3000. 3 can't be over here because if I am going to write 3 over here, it will cross 3000 something, but I am keeping it till 3 only. So what will I do? I will write, okay, for first one, I have got only one option that I can put 2 over here. Now, is this thing clear? Okay. Now coming to the next one. In the second one, either I can put, now I am saying that it should be 2500 to next. Not number less than 2500 are not there. It means I can't put 1 over here, I can't put 3 over here, I can't put 5 or 4 over here. Only these two can be over here. Out of these two, I can select any one from here. Okay, at this position, I can select any one. Okay, for instance, I have selected this. So now how many are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4 are remaining. Those 4 can be selected for this one. Okay, so this will become 2p1 into 4p1. Sorry, 4p2. Right? Now coming to this one. For this 3000 to 5000, 5000 or greater number can't come over here. So which, and I'm starting from 3. So which number can come over here? Either 3 can come in the first one, or either 4 can come in the first one. So 2p1. Okay. When I am saying, okay, out of 3 or 4, I can select any one. For instance, I have selected 3. So how many are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are remaining. And out of 5, I am going to select these 3. So this will become 5p3, which means 2p1 into 5p3. Now, either my number will be from here or either my number will be from here. It means that 2p1 into 4p2 plus 2p1 into 5p3, this will be your final answer.